Orchards in Warwick, New York. And we are going to be picking lots of apples on 200 acres. Can you believe it? So stay tuned. The family is with me and we're going to have so much fun. So don't go away.
This is a beautiful apple orchard. They have over 200 acres. You can drive around up and down the roads, and they give you a map that shows you. Oh, look at that hillside. It shows you what apples are where. This is a fun day. It's chilly, but it's fun. Isn't that mountainside beautiful? It's so pretty against the sky. Gorgeous day. There's all the family. They're looking on their bags. On the bags are maps, and it tells you where to go for all the different kinds of apples. Oh my God! Look it! They're making fun of me because I'm short. They said, "Look, Grandma, there's apples that you can reach." Let me get a go. Ooh. Look it. Look what I found, an apple. Let me see, I'm gonna clean it. Look at them all. Oh, look at it. Look at them. It's delicious. Are you having fun, kids? Everybody's eating apples. Look at these. Oh my God. Ah! Look at that. Can you see those, Jen? Look at the ground. Oh. Well. Woo! There's Jake and Renee right by the apple tree. Are you having fun, kids?
Yes.
I know. Oh, you got a lot. Oh my God. Look at the size of those apples. They're gigantic. Oh my goodness. There's Renee. She always makes my videos very exciting. She has climbed the tree. Did you find anything good up there?
Yeah, I found a good one.
Yeah, all right. Well, put your head down a little. There she is.
All right.
Okay.
Are we done? Jake went to church going.
Oh, look, Jake found a good one up there.
Yeah.
Woo! So many. There's Renee and Jake going through their bag of apples, deciding the good ones that they want to take home. You have a lot of good ones in there?
Hey, Jake, we should put more now.
There's Kyle and Jenna. Yes, they helped me. They showed me a part of the tree that was low, where there was a lot of apples. These apples are pretty good, aren't they? They're big. They're very big apples. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. And it's turning out to be a beautiful day because the sun's coming out. It's not bad. Hi, Dawn.
Hi.
There's Scott over there. Oh, and there's the others. Oh, Jake. It's not soccer. Don't kick the apple.
Jake.
Oh, there's Aaron. Everybody's eating apples.
We haven't found any good apples yet.
Look at this. Oh my God. Imagine the deer. Look at these apples on the ground. Boy. I can't believe all these apples on the ground. Aaron, you finally got here, right? Oh, there's Uncle Jason. And there's Lucas over there eating. Everybody's eating apples. Jake and Lucas inside the tree. Did you find anything? What do you have, Lucas?
Look,
Find anything good?
look.
I forgot this Cheeto. Embarrassing of you.
apples on this tree. Look at those. And they're big. The apples are really big. There's Aaron and Mom. We finally found a spot where, what kind are these?
We don't know, but
We're not
we wanted
sure.
Granny Smiths, so maybe that's what these are.
Yeah, all right.
The other Granny Smith trees were empty.
Aaron, are you happy you finally got to go apple picking? And whose idea was this?
Mine and yours.
Exactly. All right, let's go find some more.
Bye.
Bye. Well, Scott found a good tree. Lots of apples on that one. You filling up that bag, Scott?
I'm going to combine it with the other one.
Oh, you're combining it with the other
Oh, so you have
bag.
to carry them.
Oh. Look at all the apples on this tray. They're plentiful this year, that's for sure, and they're big. Look at the size of these apples. They're huge. There's Kyle over there. Whoa, that's a big apple he has. How is it, Kyle?
Yummy.
Yummy. What kind of apple is it?
No idea.
You're supposed to know.
Red apple.
Oh, red apple. Very good. There's Jenna and Kyle. What a scenic picture in front of that beautiful mountain there. Oh, pumpkins and pony rides. Oh, lots of fun today. We're off to the country store on Jones Way. Haunted house that way. Apple maze that way. Now which way should we go? Ooh, who wants to go in to the haunted house? Ooh. Here you can build a barnyard friend. That's interesting. Here's Lucas negotiating with the lady. He's getting a barnyard. Oh, I see. Look, he's stepping on it, and then he's filling it. As he presses on that, he's filling it with himself. What did you get, Lucas?
A turtle.
A turtle. Oh, cool. You wanted a real turtle, right, right, Lucas? Now you got a stuffed turtle, and look at this. All the stuffing goes in. He's stepping on the pedal, and they're filling it up.
Every day? They're like midgets.
Talking to the lady.
What do you name them? I don't know. Gotta come up with names.
Here's Lucas. Let's show us your turtle, Lucas. That's what Lucas picked. And he built his own turtle, right, Lucas?
Yep.
A lot of people online for these snack bars. Here's Jenna and Kyle. They're by the scarecrows. Somebody told me Jenna likes scarecrows. Is that true? Oh, yes. So we had to get those in there. Here we are at the country store. I want to go in there and see what goodies they have. Maskers makes their own jelly and jam. They have apple pie preserves, apricot preserves, black and blue mixed berry. They have blueberry, all kinds. Maple syrup and buckwheat pancakes. There's pickles and pumpkins and jelly apples, little mini cakes and pies, some brownies, and of course they have their own shirts up here for sale. Here we are, everybody's in line to get the fresh baked apple pie and the apple cider cake donut. There's Aaron. It was because of Aaron and I that we came here, right, Aaron? We said we want to go apple picking, and now Aaron just bought himself a dozen apple cider donuts. How do they taste? Good. All right, I'm gonna have one soon. Yum.